Hey guys, welcome back to Keigo Moriyama photography with Kensan TV. Okay guys, so today we are going to talk about the instant mani, whatever is the name, 35 for a Nikon mount. And today I have with me, together with Kensan, this camera that is a Nikon FE, and we are going to use, of course, a box of Instax Square. So let's have a look first of all what we can find inside the box. So we need to welcome. Hey guys, welcome back. Hey guys, welcome back to Keigo Moriyama photography with Kensan TV. 俺絶対英語ダメだ。Okay, so let's try for the second time. The first time the battery. As usual, till next time. Stay click. Bye.